Hello team. So today we will explore a new feature which has gone released today. Okay, so this is regarding you can find it in the completed section. Okay, so here you can find the new feature. So it will help a doctor to segregate the data, like how many patients he has seen today, or in the last 7 days, a doctor can see, or any particular day, or if the doctor wants to know, like on third or on second of the month, or any day, like in December, the doctor can filter out. Okay, I can just select like December 1st, how many patients, or any other day I can filter it out. Okay, I need to click on the pause button. Okay, or I can choose it for any other day, like 29th of December. So I can filter out how many patients a doctor has seen. Okay, so I can go in today's queue. Let me just go in today's queue and end any prescription. Okay, so I will end this, or just for an example, I will end this as well. So if I go in the completed section, you can see guys. So this is falling on today's date. So in last 7 days, a doctor can see it, like how many patients he has seen in the last 7 days, and any custom date, doctor can choose it. So this feature helps a doctor to know, like in a day, how many patients he has seen, like 10 patients, 20 patients. So here, this is the count you can see guys. So here it shows 2 appointments. Okay, it's an appointment guys, not the RX part. So RX part, doctor can look into that for which patients he hasn't seen the RX. Okay, he can minus it from the total appointments. Okay, so this will your doctor count like how many patients he has given the prescription. So that's it regarding the new feature.